All right, good morning everyone. All right, we're going to talk about the area of shapes. So you probably know that the area of this rectangle is the length times the width, or the base times the height, 12 times 9, which is 108. There's 108 little square inches inside this piece of paper here. Now if I cut out the triangle that's inside, and there are many different triangles that could fit inside of here, the triangle is half of 108. It's half of this. Because imagine if you cut this off and cut that off. Let me see here. You could fit that together somehow so that it's the same. So it's really just half. So a triangle is half of a rectangle. So you go 9 times 12, which is 108, and then divide that by 2, which is 54. A parallelogram is kind of similar. You can cut the side off of a parallelogram and make it into a rectangle. So 9 times 8 is 72. So the area of a parallelogram is the base times the height. A trapezoid is kind of a weird one. If you found the midpoint on one side and drew a line to here and took that off, you could flip it around and make it into a big triangle. And so the top of this is 6 inches. The bottom of that is 12 inches. 6 plus 12 is 18. So if you think of this like a triangle with an 18-inch long base and a 9-inch long height, 18 times 9 is 162. And then if you divide that by 2, because it's a triangle, you always have to divide by 2. 162 divided by 2 is 81. So the area of this trapezoid is 81. Okay, so follow me up here, Steven Spielberg, please. So today you're going to do page 255, 1 through 8. It's mostly shapes that you have to figure out the area of. On this page you have a few story problems, and then same kind of thing with the other page. So number 4 is a triangle like this. A triangle, as I said, is the base times the height divided by 2, so that's a simple one. And then there's a story problem. So like the number 6 story problem, there's only 3 story problems. The area of a triangle is 36, and the base of the triangle, the bottom of the triangle, is 18. So what is its height? Well, for a triangle, the height times the base divided by 2 is 36. So then you have to think, okay, I'm going to multiply both this side and this side by 2. That would cross this off, and this would turn to 72. So h times 18 equals 72. And then you just go 72 divided by 18, and you know your height. So that's the first one. There's just 2 more story problems. See if you can figure them out. You have to use a little bit of algebra, a little bit of thinking, and hopefully you can get those. But the rest of the problems on page 257 are parallelograms and trapezoids. Again, the area of a parallelogram is just the base times the height. Take your calculator and go 8 times 20 equals. That's all you do. And to find the area of a trapezoid, first you add the bottom plus the top to get the base. And once you have that, you multiply it by 12. So 8 plus 24 is 32. And then you multiply that times 12 to get what the rectangle would be. And then, since it's a triangle, you divide it all by 2. So that would be 32, adding these together, times 12. Divide that whole thing by 2, and you have your answer for the area of a trapezoid. All right. Good luck.